Hey guys, it has been a minute. This pandemic has just really been taking a toll on me, but I wanted to jump back onto YouTube with a video that I've been meaning to do for a long time. I wanted to show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. I am well overdue for a cleaning, as you guys can see. So I just wanted to show you how I clean my brushes because it's super important, and you know, it can prevent breakouts, it can prevent bad skin habits if you clean your brushes once a week. Okay, so there are really only two things that you need to clean your makeup brushes. The first is a silicone makeup brush pad. I got this one on Amazon. It's like a scrubber. It has all different types of things to get into the nitty-gritty parts of the brush. So you kind of just suction this on your sink and you are good to go. And then the other thing that you need to clean your brushes is just some makeup brush shampoo. This one is from Eco Tools for a deep weekly cleanse. So I should probably be doing it weekly, and I definitely don't. So let's get started. Okay, so first you take each brush, you open this up. I'm gonna pour a decent amount onto the brush. Then I'm going to turn on the sink, wet it a little bit, and just start getting on in there. And you kind of just, ew, there's a hair on mine, let me get rid of that. So basically, you just start going at it. I kind of put the shampoo on, get it in there, wet it, and then sometimes I'll do it just a couple more times to ensure that there's nothing else stuck in the brush. Once I'm done, I just evenly get all of the water out, and it looks clean, and I'm going to set it aside on a towel to dry. Let's keep on going. I just wanted to point out that you can really see how bad the makeup gets into the brush, and I never used to clean my brushes, but ever since I did, I noticed that just my skin was a lot clearer, there wasn't as much texture, and also when you're trying out new products, it's a lot more reliable because your brushes are like a blank canvas. If you already have used product on, then you're not really going to be able to tell if a new product works well. So I really recommend cleaning your brushes at least once a week, and I need to listen to my own advice. Yeah, this is just a really super easy thing to add to your chores list on a Sunday, so I highly recommend it. You could also put some shampoo on the pad, whatever is easier for you. Okay, so now I'm just gonna quickly rinse this off to get all the excess makeup out. Okay, so I have all of my brushes laid out. They are on the floor because I don't really have a place to put them, but here are the clean brushes, and now they just have to dry. So I'm gonna give them about 24 hours to dry, and they are good as new. Okay guys, so it's been a day and the brushes are fully dry, and now I'm just going to put them back into my makeup bag and they are good to go. I'm just super happy I did this. This video made me do it, and I highly recommend it. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Rosalegra for lots of more content, and I will catch you guys in my next video.